Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add collaboration on Instagram post after posting. So if you have posted something on Instagram and you forget to add a collaborator, then you can do this later as well. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you need to open up the Instagram application on your Android and iOS, and when the Instagram is opened up, then you need to tap on your profile picture at the bottom right here, and this will open up your Instagram profile. Okay, so now we have to select a post. So in my case I will select this post here. So in order to add a collaborator here, I will tap on the three dots at the top right here, then I will tap on edit here. Now underneath my name here you can see the option of add location. So for your case, if you see here an option of add collaborator, then you can just click on that and add a person or add a page that you want to collaborate with. Okay, but in my case you can see that I don't have the add collaboration option here. I just have the add location option. So if you also just have this add location option here, so what you can do is you can tap on three dots here again, and you can just delete this post from Instagram and re-upload it, and during the upload process you can add collaborator from there. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.